decided to do our physics project on the golf ball, the physics of the golf ball, how the dimples affect the golf ball. We have researched that the golf balls are made to reduce the drag on a golf ball and to increase the lift, like making it easier to come off the ground as fast as possible. And doing that, it makes it fly way farther than normal golf ball without having that. So we have here 4 different brand of golf balls and different models as well, and each of them have different purposes. The dimples are done way differently than the other ones. Some of them have different sizes, some of them have different shapes, some of them have deeper dimples than others. So I'm going to be hitting, demonstrating you guys hitting all these golf balls, and we're going to go and record the distance of the golf ball, which like from each ball that I hit. Okay guys, so here we have the most famous ball in golf and used most around the world, which is the Pro V1X, the Titleist Pro V1X. I'm going to be hitting one of those. I also here have the TaylorMade Burner TP. I'm going to be hitting one of those as well. And I have here the Sturson X Star X. And I'm going to be hitting one of those as well. And in my hand I have a TaylorMade Penta. On the Sturson, we're going to put a number 1. So when we go to look at them, we can know which ones we're hitting. You can see the 1 there. On the Penta, the TaylorMade Penta, it's already marked. So I'm going to put just a number 2 here. Be the second one I'm going to hit. And here we have the TaylorMade Burner TP. I'm going to put a number 3. You can see there. And on the Titleist, I'm going to put a number 4. You can see there. Here we have this this rubber that's going to tell us the distance. It's a Bushnell. It's like the use of this is like to see how far you have the flag from where your position. So I'm gonna hit the ball, and I have these golf sticks right here. I have 3 of them. So we're gonna mark. I'm gonna hit each of them, and I'm gonna go put a stick where the ball lands, and I'm gonna come back to the spot we hit it. I'm not gonna measure. As I said before, I'm gonna start hitting the Sturson, the number 1, which is marked number 1. I'm gonna try to aim over there to where the green is located. I'm not gonna reach, I'm just gonna demonstrate the distance. Ball number 1. Let's go now go with ball number 2, which is the TaylorMade TP, the Penta TP. Let's see how that one goes. So now go with ball number 3, which is the TaylorMade Burner TP. Number 3, it's mark number 3. Go. see, there's the 4 golf balls. They're kind of around the same area. There's one that standed out the most, went farther than all of them. So we're gonna mark that one. I'm gonna put it here, an orange stick on this one. There it is. This is ball number, that's the ball number 3. Ball number 3. Here we have ball number 4, the Titleist. I'm gonna put a yellow stick right here. It's ball number 4. Ball number 4. Here we have the one that stands out the most. I'm gonna put here another orange stick. This, you can see, ball number 2. That's the Penta TP. As you can see, this one's kind of far away than the other ones. Farther away than the other ones. And there's the 4 golf ball, which is kind of aligned. We're gonna come back and measure after. I can say it's like kind of, it went the same distance as this one right there. They're kind of on the same line, just different position. So let's assume they went the same distance. We're gonna measure as well after. Now let's go back. I'm getting 162 yards to the farthest ball, which, if I don't mistake, is ball number 3, the Penta TP. I'm getting 162 yards from here to over there, which is the way I hit it. Right, so that means that the ball on the left, the Penta TP, is the best one, like has the best trajectory out of all the golf balls, has the better dimples and helps the ball to come out of the air easier and to fly farther than the other ones. Alright, so we just approached the golf balls and we have this one here, which we didn't measure, and we have the bag over there. But since we had 157 yards from the position where we hit, I'm just gonna measure the distance from where I'm standing to the other bag, and I get 8 yards. So that means that the ball flew 148 yards from our distance. Ball number 3. And if we have 148 yards from here, let's measure how far we have to that ball over there. 10 yards. So that this one flew farther than the one with the golf bag. So this one flew 10 yards more than that one over there. And that one flew 149, so this one flew 159. And then we have the one that stands out the most over there, standing far away from the other ones, which dropped 167 yards.